Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will study about induced fit hypothesis. So this is a second type of hypothesis that tells us about the mechanism of enzyme action. So according to this hypothesis, the active site of an enzyme is induced to assume a complementary shape as the substrate gets bind to the enzyme. So as the enzyme gets bind to a substrate, so as the enzyme gets bind to a substrate and forms a enzyme substrate complex, and then it produces a product. According to this hypothesis, the active site which is present in an enzyme will not be rigid. In the previous lock and key hypothesis, we have studied that the active site, which is this site, this portion, is the active site of an enzyme. Then this active site in lock, according to the lock and key model, will be rigid. But in the induced fit hypothesis, it is said that the active site of the enzyme is not rigid. It is not rigid, it is flexible, and it will change according to the need when the substrate comes and bind to this enzyme, and will then form an enzyme substrate complex. Now let's see the mechanism of how the active site of an enzyme changes in order to form a product when the substrate comes according to this induced fit hypothesis. So let's assume that this is an enzyme. So, according to this hypothesis, the active site of an enzyme contains two groups. The first group is the buttressing group, and the second group is the catalytic group. Now, the catalytic group is important because this catalytic group actually goes through conformational changes when the substrate comes. So, let's assume a substrate comes here. So, as the substrate comes here, this catalytic group will change its shape. As you can see, now the enzyme substrate complex is formed, and now this cat after the enzyme substrate complex is formed, this catalytic group has changed its shape towards the substrate bonds. So this catalytic group changes its shape towards the substrate bonds and will now help the enzyme in breaking all these substrate bonds that are present, and in this way this enzyme substrate complex will produce new product. So this is how the induced fit hypothesis works. If you have any doubts, you can ask them in the comment section.